In this video we will be learning about iterator. Iterator is simply an object that can be iterated upon, an object which will return data one element at a time. So we will use next function to manually iterate through all the items of the iterator. So we are going to make a list, my list, and then we'll put some item inside it. We have 4 items inside this list, and we'll create a iterator using iter equals iter, and then we'll put the my list, and then we'll iterate through it using next. So we'll print next and then my iter. So let's copy this and again we'll put that. So we can also use next object like this, print my underscore iter, and then we can use next, and then we'll copy this, we'll use my iter, and again we'll paste it. Let's run it. So you can see it is printing all the items, but if we'll put one more print, it will give stop iteration. So you can see there is an error because the items in the list are finished. That's why it is giving this error. Now this can be done by a for loop itself. So let's say element in my list and then we'll print the element. So when we print that, you can see it is printing all the items by using for loop. So now we'll build a custom iterator. So let me erase this and clear this. So we will be making a class power of 2, and then we'll define init self comma max equals 0, and then self.max equals max, and we'll also create iter. This is the iterator, self, and then self.n equals 0. It will return the iterator object self. Now we'll define the next, and then we'll put a if self.n is less than equals self.max. Then we'll make a variable result equals to star self.n, and then self.n will be incremented by 1, and then we'll return the result. Now else statement will be raising and stop iteration. Now we'll create an object numbers equals PowTwo, and we'll put 4 inside it, and we'll create an iterable from the object I equals iter, and then the numbers. Now we will use the next to print the next iterator. So print next of I. So let me copy and paste it. So you can see it is giving 1, 2, 4 and then 8. If I print it once again, so it is giving 16 also. Now again one more time, so it is giving stop iteration. So this can be done by for statement itself. You can see that for I in POW to, let's say 5, and now we'll print I. So you can see it is printing till 32.